Hey everyone, is your car struggling with hard shifting, slipping gears, or getting stuck in limp mode? If you've scanned your vehicle and found the P0877 transmission fluid pressure sensor switch D circuit low, don't ignore it. This issue can lead to severe transmission damage and costly repairs if left unchecked. But don't worry. In this video I'll show you where the sensor is located, the main causes of this fault, and how to fix it step by step. Let's get started. What is DTC P0877? DTC P0877 means the transmission control module has detected a low voltage signal from the transmission fluid pressure sensor D circuit. This sensor monitors transmission fluid pressure to ensure proper shifting. If the sensor fails or the circuit has issues, it can cause erratic shifting, loss of power, and even put the car in limp mode. Common symptoms of P0877. If your car has this code, you may experience harsh or delayed gear shifts, slipping transmission stuck in limp mode, one gear only, erratic RPM behavior, check engine light on sensor and component location, very important, transmission fluid pressure sensor D, TFPS-D, location. In most vehicles the TFPS-D sensor is located inside the transmission, mounted on the valve body. Front-wheel drive cars, inside the transmission oil pan, near the shift solenoids. Rear-wheel drive cars, on the side of the transmission housing, close to the hydraulic pressure lines. Transmission control module, TCM. Location, usually found near the battery, inside the engine bay, or under the dashboard. Wiring harness and connectors location. Runs along the transmission housing, connecting the TFPS-D sensor to the TCM and ECU. Check your vehicle's repair manual for exact details. What causes P0877? Here are the most common causes. 1. Faulty transmission fluid pressure sensor D. 2. Corroded or broken wiring and connectors. 3. Low, dirty, or contaminated transmission fluid. 4. Faulty transmission control module, TCM. 5. Internal transmission issues, damaged valve body or solenoids. How to fix P0877. Step 1. Check transmission fluid level. If it's low, refill. If it's dirty, replace it. Step 2. Inspect the TFPS-D sensor. Use a multimeter to check for correct voltage and resistance. Replace if faulty. Step 3. Inspect all wiring and connectors. Look for corrosion, breaks, or loose connections. Step 4. Remove the transmission pan to access the sensor and valve body if needed. Step 5. Clear the code using an OBD-II scanner and test drive to confirm the fix. Final words. Ignoring P0877 can cause severe transmission damage, so if you experience gear slipping, hard shifts, or limp mode, check the sensor, wiring, and fluid condition immediately. For more OBD2 error codes and easy fixes, check out these videos next. P0620 generator control circuit malfunction. P0621 generator lamp control circuit. This is IG Garage helping you fix your car like a pro. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.